Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today again something super easy, taste e al bacio, like always. We're going to make today stir-fried vegetable with fresh tuna and some prawns. Easy to do. I'll show you what we need. Okay, I'm gonna use some noodles, prawns. I bought everything in the supermarket. Fresh tuna, prawns, they already half cooked. The vegetable, you know, the kit there is in the supermarket. Chili is not obligatory. Some lemon zest, 1 egg, some corn flour, soya sauce, sweet chili sauce, oyster sauce, vegetable oil. Take a little bowl. 4 or 5 prawns. We cut the tuna, just cut like that. Stuff like this, guys. You see? Because we're gonna stir fry it quickly. And gonna be absolutely delicious, guys. This is portion for 2. It's not more. If you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Put with the prawns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teaspoons of vegetable oil, corn flour 3 teaspoons, soya sauce, 1 egg inside, or egg. Guys, mix everything. And now you put on the side. Now I wash my hands and I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay guys, my wok is on. Some vegetable oil, 8 teaspoons, garlic in, fish in. No? Oh yeah, the smell already, guys. This one, now we can put in the plate because we're gonna cook again later with the vegetable. Take the garlic, a second, put in the plate, we put in the plate, and we see, okay? We've got some chili, oil inside, again 3/4 tablespoon. This garlic go again in. This chili, half go in. Now we go in with the vegetable. And leave it to cook 4 or 5 minutes. Black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and I will leave it to cook really. Oyster sauce, a tablespoon. Sweet chili is 2 tablespoons. Soya sauce, again, is 2 tablespoons. I take the garlic out from the pan. 1 and 2. Noodles. We need some water. Always, guys, gonna be al bacio. We have these prawns, they left. I leave just, I'm gonna put like just like that. The tuna and the prawns that we marinate. In this end, we put this water, lemon zest, as well as some lemon juice. Okay. There you go. Guys, try this. It's absolutely delicious, okay? It's done. Absolutely, look at that. Stunning. Look at that. Oh. Now, some this fresh chili is left on the top. If you have coriander, if you parsley, everything you like. Wow. Absolutely delicious. It's so quick and absolutely al bacio. Guys, my stir-fried vegetable with fresh tuna and prawns is this. Always, guys, if you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao!